Hi, welcome to Java NetBeans tutorial. This tutorial is based on how to calculate the area of a circle. So in the first place, you see right here, we will enter the radius. Let's say the radius is 8 of the circle. That means it's sort of like measure from here to about there. That's the radius. So if we click on calculate the area there, that is what we get. We end up with the formula for radius, which is a equals pi radius and to power 2 right there, and right here you see how it's been calculated. The pi is 3.4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8, and right there is the answer. Okay, so what I will do now is take you guys straight into Java NetBeans, where I will show you how I have put this together. So let's do that now. Okay, let's start a new project file, new project. Make sure Java application is selected, click on next, and then let's give it a name. I'm going to call this area, and I'll check the create class, click on finish, and right up there we have the area ready. Right click on it, select jFrame, and let's give it a name. Call it area with an S, and let's give that a name as well, underscore S, and click on finish. Now that the frame is ready, let me just drag it off about that and drag this right down a little bit. Okay, that's the frame right there. The next thing is right click on the frame and select set layer, and let's select absolute layer right there. Okay, absolute layer is in place, and I will then go to palette and select 8 labels. That's the first one there. Just press Ctrl D. I have all my labels in place, so I'm gonna arrange it the way I want it to look like. I need one here. Then I'm gonna need one text box. Text field actually. Yeah, one text field right here. And I would need one here and 2 right here. Okay. Now the next thing I need to do now, or that I'll do, is I want to set this as my heading. So let's set that as the heading. Go to the property. Right there, enter the following as the heading. Right there, let's increase the font size to, let's go for maybe 74, and click on OK. There. So that's my heading right there. I think maybe I should set it for 72. That seems to be too big. Font. Okay. 72. Yeah, that's about right. Okay then. So this very one, let's add some images. But first thing first, let me copy those images that I need. To copy those images, I'll come into this very area, right click on it, and select folder. So let me give that folder a name. Let's just call it images. That's fine by me. And right there. So the next thing is to copy the following images. There they are. I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are the images I need for now. Right click and copy. There. Now right click on the new folder just created and paste the 4 images there. There they are. Let's double click on here, open it up. Okay, this is how the whole interface is looking right now. The next thing is I'm going to need some buttons here. Let me add 3 buttons. But before that, then you see this very one, let me add an image onto it. I might as well delete this and just come to the icon right here and add the following image. So we'll select that, select the area, and come to image, add. That's the image right there that I want to add. That's fine. Okay, so that's fine now. I've already given these ones a name, and the rest of the labels, there they are. You might not see them. There's another one here, there's one here, and there's one right on top. This one, this very one. So I left the name on that. Now the next thing, let's add 3 buttons. Have 1, 2, and 3. So I just need to speed up the development of those buttons and get back to you guys. Right, we now have those buttons in place, 1, 2, and 3. So if let me right click on this exit button and just enter the line of code there. So for the exit, that will be system.exit, and that is for exit taken care of. Now the reset, I already have all the names in place for these. So the reset, if I have already entered some lines of code there for the reset, let me show you the codes from here. Those are all the lines of codes for the reset buttons. Now for the calculate area, right click, go to event perform. If you come right down here, from here down here, I mean, see, if nothing is entered into the text box, I call it text radius, this message box will pop up asking you to enter some value in there, else the following variable will take precedent. So which means area as a local variable, pi as a local variable, and radius as a local variable. Whatever is entered in the text box is assigned to radius, and then to get the area of that circle, it's going to be the pi multiplied by radius multiplied by radius. And here ask the area to upload this very image in, and these are the lines of code to upload that image. Okay, and the same thing right here. Then right here I've added 6 for the border. I've made the border 6 pixels thicker. Why the feedback? This is the feedback that will appear right below, somewhere here. This place, the feedback will appear, and here as well the border is then 6, and here we just output all of this information showing all the numbers. That will be pi, and that will be whatever number is the radius is multiplied by radius to get the area. Okay, and here that is the final output. So the final output there is then converted to string value. The string value is then assigned to the result, which is a label. And here this is supposed to be a centimeter image that will appear on the side. Right here the background will become white, but I can always, let me take care of that. I might as well just take it off. And before you can get the background white, you must import the following, which I have. I don't really need the black one, but it's there anyway. So let's right click on frame itself and go to window activated. Okay, right there, might as well just enter that in there. So when I run the program, what you see is the background will automatically become white. So if I run it now, it's running, you guys can see there the background is white. And if I enter whatever value in here, let's say the radius is 18, click on that, that is showing the radius, and that is 18. So to get the area is going to be pi multiplied by 18 multiplied by 18, and this is the area in centimeter. Okay, and right here is just the formula that is used in calculating area of a circle. Okay, so with that, guys, I will just call it the end of this program. I suppose you all enjoy it. So you have a nice day now.